Hello, PLD. This is Miss Perry with your PLD Library, and today I'm doing a screencast to help you with some of your research that you're going to be embarking on here. And we're really going to be focusing today about narrowing your topic and why that's a good idea to do that. So, I am really excited that you get to research. It's not every day where you actually get to pick your own topic and dive into it. So, I actually really love this particular assignment. I do encourage students when you are picking a topic that you want to pick a topic that you want to know more about, that you are naturally driven to know more about, or you want to pick something that is already close to your heart. Pick something you're going to be passionate about. That is going to make the research a lot easier, but then also it's going to help your natural curiosity about figuring things out about the world around you. And it's going to keep you wanting to research more. So it's going to help with some motivation to research and get to know a little bit more about your topic as well. So, say that you already have something you want to research that is awesome. Picking a topic is not necessarily always a hard thing. Sometimes you already know. However, there are some people that really do have some trouble picking a topic. So if you're totally unsure or if you need more ideas, there is a great tool that we use in Gale. Now, I have another screencast that talks to you about how to use Gale opposing viewpoints. But the main idea is that you're going to go from PLD's database site at bit.ly/PLD databases. Then on the database and ebook, it's the databases tab. You will be clicking on Gale opposing viewpoints, and your teacher will need to give you a password. I can't give it to you on the screencast, but your teacher will let you know what that password is so that you can log in. But here's where I want to direct you to this lovely little light bulb in the middle of the page that says Browse Issues. If you are having trouble coming up with any kind of topic, this is a great place to start. It's going to give hundreds, and I'm just going to scroll through some here. Hundreds and hundreds in alphabetical order of issues and topics that you can do your research about. These are timely. They are usually somewhat controversial, so there's going to be some different sides to look at these particular topics and issues. But there are hundreds at the Browse Issues section of Gale. So you can use that if you are having trouble coming up with a topic. Now, once you have decided on a broader topic, we need to kind of whittle that down. I like to think of it as the just right topic, and I go back to the story of Goldilocks and the Three Bears. When Goldilocks tried Papa Bear's porridge, it was too hot. When she tried Mama Bear's porridge, it was too cold, but Baby Bear's porridge was just right. So we're going to develop that just right topic. First of all, if I think about a broad topic, healthcare, okay, that topic is going to be too large. It needs a more of a focus. If I go and research healthcare, I'm going to get way too many sources and I'm going to get overwhelmed. That's really too broad. So I'm going to need more of a focus. Okay. Say I'm thinking about healthcare and I know Dr. Wellness and I want to research type 2 diabetes at his practice. Well, we're talking about in Lexington, Kentucky. That's probably going to be a little too narrow for this particular type of assignment. Now, it would be appropriate if you were Dr. Wellness and you were wanting to do a study of your patients with type 2 diabetes. But in this particular assignment, you do want to make sure that you have enough of a breadth so you're going to be able to get lots of information and not just primary sources. So, more of a just right topic is going to be something like this: type 2 diabetes prevention in the US. So I'm not just talking about type 2 diabetes. I'm not just talking about diabetes all over the world. I've got a narrower topic here than just healthcare. But at the same time, I'm more on a just right type of topic. Now, once I have my just right topic, I want to explore. I want to go to the Gale opposing viewpoints. I want to look at what they have to say about type 2 diabetes. But I also, as I am looking, I want to look at some various sources. So I want to see what some information is that is out there about type 2 diabetes, but I also want to start formulating a question that I'm going to want to answer with my research. So, an example here, going back to my type 2 diabetes example, what is the best way to prevent type 2 diabetes in the US? Notice I really bolded best. There's probably numerous ways, right? So you're going to find ways throughout your research. However, in my focus, the question is going to be the best way to prevent type 2 diabetes in the US. You will start then exploring that. Now, you will be developing an argument. So, through your research, you're going to find some answers to that question that you've just posed. When you do this, you're going to make a claim. So, for example, my particular claim involving type 2 diabetes would be this: that widespread education, according to the research I've done on Gale, and I'm going to specify here that it starts in high school and then continues through public service announcements, is going to be the best way to prevent type 2 diabetes in the US. Now, there's going to be people who disagree with me because as you look at certain topics and certain research, you're going to find that there's not always just one answer. So, you're going to be thinking also of a counterclaim. There's going to be someone out there that says education is not the only way, and education may not be the best way. So, a counterclaim I may come across is this: while educating and education may play a role, promoting weight loss through diet and exercise is really the best way to prevent type 2 diabetes. So, in this case, I have not only my claim, but I have someone else who may have a different opinion about this particular topic than me that has a counterclaim to what I am saying. So, in this particular case, part of being informed citizens is knowing that different topics have varied facets. And in this case, they are going to have numerous ways of looking at them. Part of being educated is knowing how to look for them and then knowing how to dig deeper and get that evidence for your claim. So happy researching. Hopefully, you know now more how to develop your just right topic, how to formulate a question, and then how to look at a claim and a counterclaim. If you need more help, obviously feel free to contact your teacher, but I am also just an email away. I am here to help you. So feel free to reach out if you need that. And I also want to go ahead and thank and credit the people at Slide Carnival and Unsplash who really provide these awesome templates and help me spice things up a little bit. I hope you all are doing well. And again, from your PLD library, happy researching.